Are you ready for the apocalypse? We want to prepare you for a dystopian future. Hey guys, it's Miss Brittany with Lafayette Public Library. We all know that right now kind of seems like it might be a dystopian future with everything that's going on, but in reality, we're not quite there yet, so let's have some fun. Obviously, this month's LibCrate theme is going to be dystopian. Your dystopian box will include a library book, the library's Book Talk newsletter, a link to a curated Spotify playlist, further reading recommendations. This month, we're including some fun stuff like dystopian writing prompts, a future food starter kit with snacks and recipes, a Paracord survival bracelet craft, and a mini hand sanitizer bottle and holder. You know, when you're in the apocalypse, you gotta fight off germs too. So if you've never done LibCrate before, you can go online to our website and pre-register. We've got links through Facebook as well as our LibCal calendar on our website. So once you've got your box, what do? Read the book, have your snack, make a craft. Check out our themed Spotify playlist. This one's obviously gonna be future music and songs that, you know, are a little bit more like the end of the world. Instagram it at LaughPubLibrary, #TeenLibCrate. And when you're done, we want back the box and the book. Everything else is yours to keep. Do you have questions or comments? Call the Teen Desk at 337-261-5778. Any more information? LafayettePublicLibrary.org/LibCrate. So let's get into it. Obviously, we have our box contents, which is going to be included in every single box and list everything that you will get. This month, we're in the September through October planning period. So all of our programs will be in this month's Book Talk. All of our teen programs, makerspace, anything that you might find enjoyable in the dystopian future. What else do we include? Bookmarks, because every book needs a good bookmark. The two bookmarks we have this time are, as mentioned before, our curated Spotify playlists, Dispatches from the Future. All you have to do is scan the QR code on the back and it will bring you straight to our Spotify playlist. What other bookmarks do we have? Other recommendations, of course. You're going to get a dystopian book in this box, but if you're not, satisfied with that, we have a few others that you might be interested in. This dystopian recommendation list includes The Gray Shear, We Set Fire to the Dark, The 100, and Unwind, a Neil Shusterman book. What else do we have? Something different for this LibCrate season. Create your own dystopian world. Some writing prompts. Includes stuff like A World Wreck by Sea Level Rise. Sounds kind of familiar to South Louisiana? Climate change has ravaged the earth, and in this new world, people are living on small islands spread across the planet. The ruling parties inhabit the largest landmass and ration out resources to the rest of the population by boat, but the people are preparing to revolt. Can you continue that storyline? That and 7 other writing prompts. And we want to hear from you. Tag us in your writing prompts online. So, every month we also do snacks. But this time we've got something a little different. Future Food Starter Kit. This includes 1 piece of fruit leather, 1 packet of drinking flavoring, and 2 recipes for protein-rich snacks. So let's go ahead and open our food kit. Let's see, we've got that. I got apricot fruit leather and wild strawberry drink mix. The recipes I received are Bakeless Energy Bites that look like some chocolate chip energy bites and s'mores trail mix. So, fireless food, obviously. Well, I would assume since we're, preparing for the future, our craft should be something to prepare us as well. And I would be right. This month, we are doing a Paracord Bracelet. All steps are included. We can even look at the video on the QR code. By the end of it, you will have your very own Paracord Bracelet, and you can, use that to take down the enemies. What else do we have? Swag, of course. In the future, germs still exist, so we're including some Lafayette Public Library hand sanitizer and a nifty holder to put on your book bag. And last but not least, what we're all here for, the book. The book in my box is Scythe by Neil Shusterman. Y'all might recognize Neil Shusterman. A couple years ago, another one of his dystopian books, Dry, was our Lafayette Reads Together. Scythe is a little bit different. It's a world where there is no disease, no war, no hunger, but that means the world's getting a little overpopulated. So who's gonna take down the people? Somebody's got to. That book, as well as a few other books, are gonna be included in our box. They are tailored a little bit more towards reading level and, interest level. So, are you interested in this box? With our cool crafts, snacks, recommendations, and prompts? Sign up online at LafayettePublicLibrary.org/LibCrate or call 337-261-5778 with any questions, or we can also help you get registered there. So, do you think this LibCrate's gonna get you more prepared for the future? We hope so. If not, at least you'll have fun while preparing. See you next time from Lafayette Public Library, Team LibCrate. Bye, guys.